Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you unboxing of the new Nikkor 1020 wide angle lens. So this is the package. I had actually opened it earlier to check. I got it from online from Flipkart during the recent sale from 13th to 16th of May 2018. So first we have the lens bag, nice quality. Next we have the warranty card. Here is the manual, and then underneath this comes the actual product. We have something here. It is the lens hood. Now here comes the actual lens. Comes inside a bubble wrap, wrapped inside a plastic inside, and here is the actual product. This is the Nikon F mount. Here it is. So now I am going to fix a UV filter on my new lens. I got it from online from Amazon actually. Here is this. It fits nicely. Here you go. So now I have this lens completely set up to be used, and I haven't used it yet, but as of now it seems like it's a very good product, worth the money. I got it for only 22,000 rupees during the Flipkart sale. As I said, MRP is not mentioned, but in Google I have seen that the MRP is 23,950 as per the Nikon India website. So that's it. thanks for viewing. Like and share.